Good day, guys. Okay, so today I'm just going to be showing us how to create a um, simple NAVBAR and be able to use that same NAVBAR across your pages. Okay, so I know we have different case scenario for that. So I've added two frames, desktop frames, and then I'm going to be creating the navbar on this home page. I could actually create it aside. At some most time I like to create it aside and then put it in. So I think let me just do that. No, I think I'll just put it here. All right. So what I would do, just get a background for it really. Then I have this. So the next thing I will do, I want to bring in a logo. Go to my plugin. Which one should I use? I think I have a logo creator plugin already. Just some random logo, as I don't really know what the website is about. So I think I like this. So going to be using this. I can reduce the size from here. Maybe I'll make this smaller, 113, and this should be 80 something, just for it to be in the same proportion. All right, so okay, I don't want to take that up yet, so I want to add a text. So I'm going to put a text here saying learn more. I assume this is for my YouTube page then. Um, so I'll just work on the size. I actually think it's big enough though. So I'll have this size, yes, and then have this group as my logo. You can use anything for your logo. And this is not really a perfect logo, just using this for the sake of, this learning, right? So I'm going to group these two and just group and rename this to logo. Yeah, then I'm going to bring my logo up here. Yeah, perfect. The next thing I want to do is to add a text. Then I will have my home. Think I'm okay with that styling, with that font type and all. If not, you can change your font type and all of that. So like I like where it is also. So I'll duplicate that. I use Control D to duplicate. So I don't know what to use. And then adjust this. So everything will be on the same level. Oh no. Okay. So I'm going to make this my about us, about us, about us. And I'm going to duplicate this again, take it and make that my maybe blog. Oh, sorry. Then I'm going to duplicate this again and make this my contact us page. Right? Contact us. Okay. I think this is too far apart. And the next thing I want to do is probably add a user icon. Yeah. I have a lot of, not a lot though, but I have plugins for that. So I'll just use this. Bring this in here. Okay. Just reduce this to like 50, 50, then 50, 50. Uh, Okay, I'm going to group this as well and name this um, user. It's easier to name actually, because if you want to reuse some component or some icons, you know exactly what you are getting and what to get. So what I'll do, I'll change this color. I don't want this background color. I just want it to be a white stuff here. So I'll put this maybe a bit close to this. Yeah, so I have what I want to have. Just have to straight away change my active page to have something. Okay, so if I want, I could add a what's it called now, a drop shadow effect to this. So I think we can see it the way it looks. So I like it that way. So all I would do then is to group this. I'll group this to group selection. I will name that navbar. Yeah, and then probably want to reduce this. Okay, think I'm fine with the way this looks. So what I would do, it's a component. If I come to asset, I should see it. Okay, I've not made it a component yet. And so this is where the magic happens. Create component. So if you come to asset, you can reuse this. So I'll bring it out actually from my own page. Yeah. And then take it from here, bring it here. Yeah. Just do some align top. Mm. So if I want to use the same navbar here, all I have to do is to drag it and drop it. So for as many as possible pages that you create, you can always reuse your navbar. And not just navbar, any component, anything you see, even if it's your footer, you think you want to repeat your footer across your page, then you can do that. So it's just a very simple and straightforward tutorial. Hopefully we are going to build more on this, and you see how to have a full web page, a landing page, and even make some things responsive and stuff. So yeah, see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, comment if you want something more than this. Yeah, and again, let me add this. You could actually edit your component across different usage. So let me see. So right here, I want to change this to my, I want only my active page to have this color. So I'll just come here, then I change this. Yeah, cool. See, same components, but then I'm making some changes. All right, thank you very much. See you the next tutorial. Bye.